How to register your SIM card. SIM card registration, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Visit the official SIM registration website. For Smart, smart.com.ph/simreg. For Dito, dito.ph/register Dito. For Globe, new.globe.com.ph/simreg. Or access the SIM registration website via QR code. Step 2. Enter your 10-digit mobile number and click the Register or Send OTP button. Step 3. If eligible to register, you will receive an OTP text message on your mobile phone. Step 4. Enter the 6-digit OTP on the registration website. Note that the OTP expires in 5 minutes. Step 5. After your OTP is validated, you may proceed with the registration. Step 6. Enter all required fields: name, birthday, gender, address, nationality. Step 7. Take or prepare a picture of yourself and your government ID. The following are the official IDs that will be accepted in registering SIMs. Select the type of government ID to be uploaded. Click the Upload/Take a Photo button to upload a copy of your valid government ID and your photo. Step 9. Tick the checkbox to agree with the privacy notice, attestation of completeness and accuracy, marketing and promotional permissioning data sharing. Note: you only need to tick the required boxes. Step 10. Click the Submit or Next button to finish the registration process. A reference number will appear on your screen to signify completion of registration. Please keep the reference number as proof of registration. Things to keep in mind. For SIM registration assistance, you may visit Public Information Office located at the Toledo Sports Center, Barangay Sangi, Toledo City.